Did you know there's a planet in our solar system where winds rage at over 1,200 miles per hour? That's nearly twice the speed of sound. But here's the twist. This planet isn't a fiery world close to the sun. It's cold, dark, and unimaginably distant. This is Neptune, the mysterious ice giant at the edge of our solar system. And the more we learn about it, the stranger it gets. Basic facts and features. Neptune is the eighth and most distant planet in our solar system. It orbits the Sun at an astonishing 2.8 billion miles, 4.5 billion kilometers, about 30 times farther than Earth. One full orbit around the Sun takes Neptune 165 Earth years. If you were born when Neptune was discovered in 1846, your first Neptunian birthday would be just around now. Neptune belongs to a class of planets known as ice giants, along with Uranus. Unlike gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, ice giants are made mostly of water, ammonia, and methane ices. Neptune has about 17 times the mass of Earth, yet its diameter is only about 3.9 times greater. That might make it sound extremely dense, but it's not, because Neptune is made of light materials like gas and ice. Its density is only about 0.3 times that of Earth. It's a huge planet, but not a heavy one per volume. Despite being so far from the Sun, Neptune gives off more than twice the energy it receives. This mysterious internal heat may be the engine behind its violent weather and superfast winds. Neptune's magnetic field is also unusual. It's tilted at a steep angle and doesn't even align with the planet's center. Scientists don't fully understand why, but it makes Neptune's already strange personality even more fascinating. Storms and that blue color. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the entire solar system. These storms can reach up to 1,200 miles per hour, 1,930 kilometers per hour, faster than a speeding bullet. They form massive dark spots in Neptune's atmosphere, like the Great Dark Spot spotted by Voyager 2 in 1989. Some of these storms are big enough to swallow the entire Earth. But here's the mystery. How can a planet so far from the Sun, with so little solar energy, have such violent weather? One theory is that Neptune's internal heat is driving these storms from the inside out. And then there's Neptune's color. That deep, rich blue. It's unlike any other planet. This color comes mainly from methane gas in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. But here's the thing. Uranus also has methane, yet Neptune appears much darker and more vibrant. So scientists suspect there's something else, perhaps unknown chemicals or high-altitude hazes, that give Neptune its striking hue. Triton, Neptune's mysterious moon. Neptune has at least 14 known moons. Most of them are small and irregular, but one stands out in a big way. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, is a world full of mysteries. First, it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. That's called a retrograde orbit, and it's extremely rare. It suggests that Triton didn't form around Neptune at all. Instead, scientists believe it was a dwarf planet, maybe even a sibling of Pluto, that got captured by Neptune's gravity long ago. This capture wasn't gentle. It likely destroyed Neptune's original moon system and left Triton as the dominant survivor. Triton is also geologically active. Voyager 2 spotted icy geysers erupting from its surface, suggesting a subsurface layer of liquid or slushy water. This is incredibly rare for a moon so far from the Sun. Triton's surface is icy and reflective, with temperatures around -390 degrees Fahrenheit, -235 degrees Celsius. And yet, despite the cold, it shows signs of ongoing internal activity. Some even think Triton might be hiding an underground ocean. Exploration and future missions. So far, only one spacecraft has ever visited Neptune. Voyager 2, back in 1989. It flew by at high speed, snapping the first close-up images of the planet and its moons. That brief encounter lasted only a few hours, But it changed what we knew about Neptune forever. Since then, no spacecraft has returned. That makes Neptune the least explored of all the outer planets. But change may be coming. NASA and other space agencies have proposed new missions, including Neptune orbiters and even Triton landers. These missions could study Neptune's storms, magnetic field, and mysterious internal heat, and maybe even search for signs of life beneath Triton's icy shell. The journey would be long, at least 12 years one way, but the science waiting at the edge of the solar system might be well worth the trip. Conclusion and question. Neptune is one of the most mysterious and beautiful planets in our solar system. It hides fierce storms behind a calm, blue glow. Its magnetic field is twisted and strange. Its moon Triton might hold an underground ocean, maybe even the ingredients for life. And yet, it remains largely unexplored. A giant, swirling world at the edge of everything we know. If we could send a new mission there, what secrets would it uncover? And if you could visit Neptune, what would you want to see?